Total gain 332%. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're featuring a powerful and fully automated trading system called Perceptrader. Pair 6 different pairs chosen for consistent market movement and strong trading opportunities. To begin, a minimum balance of $500 is required. Timeframe M5 optimized for accurate entries and smooth execution. Originally priced at $2,400, this AI is now available for just $20 exclusively on FEXPro. Now let's take a look at the EA's performance. It has delivered a solid total gain of 332%. While keeping the drawdown as low as 17%. The EA also maintains a strong 65% win rate, reflecting consistent trading accuracy. Next, let's open MetaTrader and set up the EA. Inside the Inputs tab, you can customize the settings based on your trading style. The EA is now fully set up and ready to trade. For complete details and download, visit our website. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.